Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we help you achieve your personal and professional goals.
In this video, we're going to share 5 tips that can help you boost your confidence and become the best version of yourself.
Tip number 1.
Focus on your strengths.
Identify your skills, talents and qualities that you are proud of and that make you unique. Instead of comparing yourself to others, embrace your individuality and use it to your advantage.
Remember that everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses, and that's what makes us all special.
Tip number 2.
Set achievable goals.
When you set yourself goals that are realistic and within your reach, you're more likely to accomplish them and feel good about yourself. Start with small goals and gradually increase the difficulty as you gain confidence and experience.
Tip number 3.
Practice self-care.
Taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally is essential to boost your confidence. Get enough sleep, eat a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and spend time doing things that bring you joy and relaxation.
When you feel good about yourself,
it shows in your attitude and behavior.
Tip number 4. Step out of your comfort zone. Trying new things and taking risks can help you build your confidence and expand your horizons.
Even if you feel nervous or afraid, challenge yourself to face your fears and try something that you've always wanted to do.
With practice and persistence, you'll build resilience and confidence in your abilities.
Tip number 5.
Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. Having a strong support system of friends, family, or mentors can help you stay motivated, encouraged, and inspired.
Seek out people who uplift you, believe in you, and encourage you to pursue your dreams.
So there you have it. 5 tips to boost your confidence and become the best version of yourself. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on personal and professional growth.
Thank you for watching.